Yoga for Americans by Indira Devi. Yoga is one of the greatest disciplines in the world and can be practiced with positive results. For daily exercise, may I suggest that I have found Indira Devi's approach to yoga the simplest and most intelligent. Ancient India's science of yoga gives you a vital, confident approach to the converging pressures and tensions of modern living. Practicing yoga daily will relax you in mind and body. You will face each day with a fresh energy that will make you feel years younger. Even President Eisenhower, while recovering from his illness, was put on a routine of deep breath exercises for 10 minutes a day. Yoga is an art and science of living, will give you the key to youth, health, and long life and help you find harmony, peace of mind, and true happiness. When a student of yoga determines and, and rightly directs his course, a molecular change takes place in his body until in about 6 months. This change begins to affect his states and habits. It also expands the power of his mind. As the force within him becomes awakened, his state of consciousness also changes. He ceases to be lonely, his fear vanishes, and happiness comes within his reach. Raja Yoga or Royal Yoga is the yoga of consciousness, the highest form of yoga. Yoga emphasizes our relationship to the universe and therefore teaches a breathing different from the usual breathing, a breathing that reflects our inner attitude while we are performing it. Usually, we are not conscious of our breathing. Breath passes through our bodies like dream waves. In yoga, this process is lifted to the level of consciousness. It is you yourself who take out the direction and control of the airflow. Another important thing to remember is that while doing deep breathing, the spine should be kept straight so as not to impair the free flow of the life force. Of all creatures, the human being has the least sense for management of his body. IQ of a child can be increased by enlarging his intake of oxygen through correct deep breathing. Tension, sleeplessness, indigestion, constipation, nervous headaches, heart condition, as well as mental abnormalities are often the results of oxygen starvation. But even an ordinary man, not only a yogi, can gain a certain amount of control over his body and his mind by means of deep rhythmic breathing. About diet, it is from the mastery based on the liberty to choose between the satisfaction of the appetites and the flight toward spirituality that human dignity is born. Mind is the master of senses and breath is the master of mind. The mind cannot be restrained without restraining the breath. Mental activity keeps pace with respiration. With yoga exercises, she also been eating 1 or 2 slices of raw onion daily. Treat people as if they were flowers and you will have a happy life.